For the example 2B, we're going to do the same steps we did on 2A. Now remember, watch the video and listen to what I'm saying. You do not have to write all of this down, step 1 through 4. But I do want you to copy down a sketch of this graph. Notice how this graph is going downwards. So on this graph, we're not going to have a minimum, we're going to have a maximum. So for step 1, we have to find the vertex. The parabola opens downwards, so the vertex is located at the maximum point, which is right there. Oh, lovely, lovely. So step 1, I want you to write vertex, I want you to write maximum point, and I want you to write the actual point, 0, 4. Step 2, find the axis of symmetry. Remember, the axis of symmetry is the line that cuts the graph in half. So this is the line here. Oh, Jesus. This is the line here, very roughly sketched, that cuts the graph in half. That line is at x equals 0. So next to step 2, I want you to write axis of symmetry, x equals 0. Step 3 says find the y-intercept. I'm going to erase this so we can actually see the y-intercept. The y-intercept happens here when we cross the y-axis. That point is also our vertex, so it's the same point as our vertex. So next to step 3, I want you to write y-intercept, and I want you to write the actual point down, 0, 4. But then I want you to also write out that the y-intercept is 4. Last step says find the zeros. And remember, for step 4, I want you to write all 4 words out. Zeros, x-intercepts, roots, and solutions. I need you to write all 4 of those words out on each problem. So our zeros happen when we cross the x-intercept. We cross the x-intercept here at this point and here at this point. Those 2 points are located at -2, 0 and 2, 0. So next to step 4, I want you to write all 4 of those words out, and I want you to write the 2 zeros. -2, 0 and 2, 0. Now that we've explained both of these examples, I want you to do the guided practice 2A and 2B in your spiral. You're doing these 2 examples in your spiral, not on your Cornell notes. The next section of the notes will be explained in the next video.